I know that
Amanda. Was curious about what? I'm sorry.
Her message to us was looking for a giftable, like some sort of gift occasion or gift program to share appreciation to people referring clients, I think.
Correct.
Like
Yep.
an agent referral type scenario. So Lupita is super simple, so it'll be very easy to convey, and it's also very easy to test us out. So that's two things I'll start with. Creating a Lupita account is just going to lupita.com, creating an account. There's no cost to have a Lupita account or requirement to use it. So you can have an account, and then I can also give you a promo code to try, like sending a gift out. And what you would do is you would click the send a gift button in the top right.
Okay.
Which walks you through a few pages. The first of which is the gifts page.
Okay.
And this ampersand always takes you back to your sort of home screen and your dashboard, and then that will take you back to wherever you were in this little, what we call the gift funnel. The gift page is where you pick the gift option you want to send. Now, when you create an account, you're only going to see 25, 50, 75, 100, 150. So we have these standard curated collections at these price points that are inclusive of shipping and taxes, customer support, and the technology. Your recipient does not see pricing, so it's really just a matter of you determining that value. Like, okay, there's a $50 value for this occasion, so that's the collection I'm going to use. And I'll go ahead and say, if you wanted to curate the collection, like remove certain items or add a charity, those two things are accessible, meaning they're free. We don't charge for them. If for some reason you wanted to get into adding custom options or branding things, which is not something we really get into, the threshold for that's a very high commitment, like $10,000 annually. So most people just use us on demand and will kind of use the curation that we have established. Click next, and you'll design a card. So this change logo button allows you to change a logo. You can drag it into this file, upload it from your desktop, and the card design as well. You can drag any design in here, use the animated cards, short videos, what you name it, and then you write a personalized message, which will store in your dashboard once you've sent it. And the signature field is what creates the subject line of the email. So if I say Jimbo here, you'll see after I enter a recipient. So recipient page first, you're going to have name, email, and the date. Right? It can go out instantly or any date into the future, and you can dial it into the time of day you want it to go out. And you can add multiple recipients at once. So if you wanted to do birthdays this quarter, you could send all your birthdays and schedule them out in advance.
Okay. So if we wanted to maybe just send the link to the Lupita instead of sending it out in an email, we would just send it to ourselves, I guess, and then copy the link from the email?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, you got it. So the one thing to know there, if you're going to get these automatic reminders. So we send reminders to recipients who don't pick their gift on the first day or as soon as they get the gift email. So they would get a reminder on the 4th day and the 14th day and the 30th day. And then most people will set an expiration of somewhere between 1 and 6 months, generally 3 months, 4 months, which would auto-expire that gift email that you're talking about.
Okay.
Click next. And yes, what happens is our system, Lupita, will send this email out on your behalf, personalized to the way you wanted it to look. You're also going to be CC'd on that email. So if the recipient redeems it and leaves a thank you note, you're going to get a response back. So Jimbo comes as the subject line. It does come from our server, so SendGrid, but you're CC'd on the email. So if you did not want to have our email servers, you would do exactly that or have a dummy account that lands these gift links somewhere. And each gift record has the gift link directly in it. So
Okay.
if I click that, that's actually the gift email that you just generated. It'll take you right there. So you can embed this in a personal email.
Okay.
So if you wanted to do bulk, like you had 10, you could send 10 at once, and then you could export the CSV and grab all 10 of those without having to click in to each record.
You could send 10 gifts at once?
If you wanted to. I'm saying, like, if you wanted to have that done. However you want to do it. I was sort of indicating that there's a simpler way if you're sending multiple gifts to grab those gift links.
Gotcha.
Than having to click and, like, dive into each record. Do y'all use a CRM tool?
Yes. Well, I don't think it's really considered a CRM. It's more just an email tool.
Spartacus? No, I don't know this one. Okay. Because I don't. If you ever come across the word Zapier, we do integrate with Zapier.
Oh, I think we might have Zapier. I'm not sure.
So you could retrieve gift links through Zapier or fire the gift out as well through Zapier. Just if you thought that was appealing, but yeah, that's how it works. It's pretty simple.
Okay, so back to like the gifts section. I noticed there were like different like popular home, bath, travel. So you have to choose one of those different sections.
Nope. All that comes. So if I go to this page here, Lupin Marketing Collections. It's not listed in our menu, so you won't actually see it. But if you can remember Marketing Collections, that'll take you to our curated page. So all of these options. These are all the options we have curated. So if I click into the $50 collection, when you send it, you get all the gifts in it.
Okay, but we have to go to that specific marketing collection section to be able to send all the gifts in there?
No, that's just for you and Amanda to see what's in there if you wanted to peruse it.
Okay.
If you click this button, 50, everything that's listed here on this is our live account, everything listed here will be in the gift invitation for the recipient to enjoy.
Okay.
And the thing I was mentioning is, like, some people want to, like, maybe dial it in a little more. So say you only wanted to do things that were in the home collection. Like, that's something that we make available if that's of interest to you. You could just send the home collection or the home category. It's what's called a catalog link in our world. So if I pull up an example for you, and it's totally discretionary. It's not like something you have to do.
What would be the benefit to doing that?
Just to refine the options based on what you think. Some people want to get some people are like, I want to send something branded. That's like one thing I'm choosing for everybody. So that's sort of a stopgap between I want to decide on what to give somebody versus like giving them just choice of things that I don't really have any ownership on. So that's our stopgap, is like, here's a catalog link. If you don't want to just like open it up to choice, maybe you want to select 9 options that you like more than others and then give them those options. But no, there's no real advantage to it. In fact, it's probably disadvantageous because you're limiting their choice for no real reason.
Okay. All right. I guess, is there anything else I should know?
No, that's it. I would invite you to go to Lupin, create an account. There's a login button up here, and I think you can use I'll find a promo code for you. You can send a gift on us.
Okay.
Cool.
All right. Well, thank you so much.
You're so welcome. Thank you for calling.
Yeah. Have a great day.
You too. Bye.
Bye-bye.